What is the LMU Open Science Center? Take a few minutes to find out. The OSC is a university-wide grassroots initiative at the Ludwig Maximilian University of Munich, which aims to coordinate open research activities across disciplines. We are steered by an elected cross-disciplinary scientific board led by the managing director, Felix Schönbrot, and I am its scientific coordinator, Malika Iller, and I implement the decisions taken by the board and act as the community engagement manager. A key feature of the OSC is that it is researcher-led. It is run by academics for academics, while fostering connections with several relevant units across the university. The OSC comprises institutional members who provide infrastructure such as IT services and library, and faculties who provide financial support or support in kind. There are currently around 80 members of the LMU who actively support the goal of the OSC, and we currently provide for a community of around 400 people. We promote open research practices. So broadly, open research ensures that different elements of the research process are transparent and accessible. We are convinced and have evidence through meta-research that providing equitable access for all to build upon or verify research can improve its quality and reusability. So how can we change the way we practice research? While all of these layers are required to a culture change, the OSC focuses on what is often missed, bridging the top-down approach where, say, the founders would mandate a practice, hoping their applicants would figure out a way to get in line with it, and the bottom-up approach where, for instance, infrastructures are created and it's more or less up to the researchers to learn how to use them. These middle layers are where we operate. We try to make it easy to adopt a new practice by offering peer-to-peer training. And we work to build and grow a community of practice among researchers to establish norms and consensus and to provide researchers with support during this transition. Another component needed to support the shift to open research overarches all layers of this pyramid, meta-research. That is the research field that assess and evaluate research practices, such as usage of infrastructure and adoption of new practices, and the consequences of these new practices in terms of quality, quantity, and impact. Such assessment allows to possibly readjust new standards of good research practices. In terms of training, we organize symposia and seminars featuring international presenters. We also coordinate and deliver more formal training, such as multiple-day crash courses and regular workshops. And finally, we contribute to the development of graduate skill training programs. And we have the goal to combine all of this training into a central core course that would be made available to all students and staff at the LMU with a modular structure that would accommodate varying needs across disciplines. The second key area of our work is community building. We provide conceptual and logistical support to our members who develop local communities, for instance, setting up journal clubs like reproducibility or open initiative in a specific discipline. We also connect leaders of these initiatives so nobody has to reinvent the wheel and so that we can grow our community of practice sustainably. Finally, a third area of activity is to support interdisciplinary collaboration on meta-research projects. Several of our members came together to create the DFG-funded Meta-Rep program that analyzes and optimizes replicability in the social sciences. We also liaise with national and international stakeholders to disseminate our lessons learned. You can attend our free events by subscribing to our mailing list. LMU affiliates can also become official members to contribute to our activities. So you can visit our website to learn more. Thanks.